Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Techxplained. This is Srikar, and in this video I'm going to share with you 5 Gmail tricks that will help you on the go. Before getting into the video, if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn on all notifications so that you'll never miss an update. And without any further ado, let's get started. So the first tip that I want to share with you is email scheduling in Gmail. You might have come across sometimes when you want to send an email to a person at one particular point of time, but you are not free at that particular point of time. You're free now. So what you'll do, you will write the email in advance and then save it as a draft. And when time comes, you can send it to the person after reviewing it. But let's say that you forgot to send that person that email at that point of time because you are busy. So one thing that you can do is that you can schedule your emails in Gmail so that your email will be sent whenever you schedule it automatically without you even being online. To do this, first log into your Gmail account and go into your inbox, and then you can see the compose button over here. Click on compose and then write a to address as you write an email. Let me send this to myself. Write a subject test email in this case, and then write a little bit of body. This is an email test, and then I want to send it to this person at some particular point of time at which I'm not free and I'm not available online. So generally what I'll do, I'll click on the send button to send this immediately. But to schedule the email, you can click on the little arrow down here which reveals schedule send option. Click on that option, and here you have some automatic date. It says tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, or tomorrow Monday morning, so that you can pick out a time. Or if you want to do a custom time and date, let's say that I want this on the 13th of November to be sent at 4:50 p.m. So I can say 4:50 p.m. and then I can schedule send it. My message will be delivered to that person at 4:50 p.m. on the 13th of November. As I have scheduled it, I need not be online. This will save you lots of times more than you will ever imagine. The second tip that I want to share with you is confidential mode in Gmail. Let's say that you want to email a person, but that person's Gmail account is being used by a bunch of other people. You want to send an email to that person's Gmail so that only that person should be able to read it no matter what. Other people should not be able to read the email even though they have access to the Gmail account of that person. So what you can do, you can send that email in confidential mode. Let's compose a message. Let's send it to myself. In here, let's type a subject line, subject, let's say, and body is body. So I want this super secret information of body to not be revealed to everyone who has access to that person's Gmail. So what I'll do, I'll toggle confidential mode to on. If you look at the bottom, you see a padlock button in here, and when you hover over it, it says toggle confidential mode. Click on it, and then you can send the email in confidential mode. You can set the email to expire in one day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, or 5 years. If you say expires in 1 day, the email will be automatically deleted from that person's inbox after 1 day. He will not be able to access it. Also, you can require an SMS passcode by that person to open that email. If you click on SMS passcode and save and send it to that person, you will be asked to confirm your phone number. Enter your phone number and then click on send. Your message will be sent now. If I refresh my email, I can see that I have received this message, and if I want to open it, I will be getting a passcode to that phone number, and I can open it only if I have access to that phone number. So this is confidential email. This is one of the security features that Gmail provides you to confidentially send emails to one another. So use it next time you want to send some confidential stuff to your friends, right? Alright, the third tip that I want to give you will help you a lot. All of us have 15 gigabytes of storage in our Google account. If you have emails with attachments larger like 10 MB, 15 MB, 25 megabytes, it will consume a considerable amount of storage in your Google account, and then you will not be able to receive emails if your account storage is full. So can we do something in order to delete the messages that are larger than 1 megabyte or 2 megabyte or some X megabytes? Yes, it is possible. Let me show you how. Click on the search bar and type larger : let's say I want to filter out all the emails which have attachments that are over 1 megabyte. I say 1 MB. Larger : 1 MB. You can give any number over there. If you say 2 MB, emails greater than 2 megabytes of data will be filtered out. So click on enter and it will load the emails that are larger than 1 megabyte. In this case, in my case, I have one email that is larger than 1 megabyte. I can select all the emails that I want to at once and then say delete, right? In this way, you can delete all the messages that are larger than 1 megabyte, 2 megabyte, 3 megabytes, say X megabytes, and free up your Google storage. I hope that this will be useful when clearing up your Google account storage. Moving on, my fourth tip is to undo the sent emails. We all have undo sent message button. In Instagram we have unsend, in WhatsApp we have delete for everyone, even in Telegram we have delete for everyone. Where is that in email? Emails are the most important things. So let's say that I have typed an email and accidentally my fingers hit the send button instead of schedule send. What will I do now? Fortunately, Google or Gmail provides undo send option for us for a limited amount of time, that is 5 seconds by default. What if you want to undo your sent messages for a longer amount of time? You can make that period longer with the help of this trick. Go into the settings, click on all settings. You can see undo send in the general settings here, and then you see send cancellation period 5 seconds. You can click on the drop down and extend the undo send to 30 seconds. Scroll down and say save changes. Your changes will be saved, and next time you compose an email, let's say I'm sending an email to myself, send, and then I can unsend this message for up to 30 seconds. This message remains here for up to 30 seconds. Previously, this message is here only up to 5 seconds. Now I can undo up to 30 seconds. Let me undo and boom, the email is deleted, right? Moving on, the fifth and the final trick, and this will help you a lot to declutter your inbox. If you are a student particularly, you might have visited so many websites and signed up on most of them for your educational resources, right? Those websites will be sending you messages day in and day out. All the time they send you 5 to 10 emails a day. For example, if you sign up for Twitter newsletter, you will receive at least 5 to 10 emails a day. What can you do to avoid such things? You can either delete it on a daily basis, or you can do one thing. You can categorize all of them into a separate label and you can delete them at once. How can you do that? I'm here to show you. Search for the word unsubscribe. Unsubscribe. And then click on enter. This loads and brings up this menu. Click on advanced search, and then in the bottom you see here a button named create filter. Click on it. We get to say what we want to do with that email. If it has unsubscribe word in it, usually all those promotional emails and spam emails will have unsubscribe button in them. Unsubscribe is a word that they have to use in an email. So if Gmail sees the word unsubscribe, we can say what to do with it. What do we want? We want it to skip the inbox. We don't want the messages saying unsubscribe in our inbox, and then apply the label, choose a new label and give it a name, say unwanted, right? Say create. So what does this mean? It means if Gmail sees an email with the word unsubscribe in it, it will skip the inbox and then it will apply the label unwanted to it. Click on create filter. So in the label section, you see a label unwanted. So let me test this by sending myself an email with the word unsubscribe in it. So let me send an email. Let me write hello, please unsubscribe, right? and send it. And if I see my inbox, there is no message named unsubscribe in here. The message or the mail went into this label, and if I click on it, unwanted, and here it is, hello, please unsubscribe. This email has the word unsubscribe in it, so it is sent into label. I can delete all of them by selecting them here and clicking on delete. This is one of the best ways to get rid of promotional and spam emails and declutter your inbox. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you really enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure that you like this video, leave your comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to Techxplained. This is Srikar from Techxplained. See you in the next video, and peace.